Welcome to Bay Lake Escape, located in East Ocean View. Bay Lake Escape is a two-story, single-family home that was just completed in April of 2019. The front porch has a double glide rocker and a keypad on the front door for keyless entry. When you enter Bay Lake Escape, you will see an open floor plan with living room, large sectional couch, cable television, dining area, and kitchen. Just to note, for those with mobility issues, there are one flight of stairs inside of Bay Lake. The dining area hosts a beautiful farmhouse table with 2 benches, custom made by Cedar Lake Farms. The bar has 4 stools with USB charging devices. The kitchen comes fully equipped with everything you would need for cooking. Everything is labeled for easy access. There is a coffee pot with 8 mugs, coffee filters, and creamer. In the dish cabinet are plenty of glasses, plates, cups, and bowls. Everything is laid out nice and neat for ease of access. Our silverware drawers are fully packed with everything you would need for your family. Our guests frequently leave spices that you are welcome to use. Bay Lake's kitchen comes with all major appliances such as a built-in microwave, stove, oven, sink, dishwasher, and refrigerator. Basic cleaning supplies are also provided. Downstairs, there is also a half bath that is located right off the living room. The middle bedroom upstairs is our bunk room. The bunk room has a full-size mattress with a twin mattress on the top. It is decorated in the cutest well bedding. There is a small closet with extra blankets and clothes hangers. To finish this room off, there are room darkening blinds and a smart television. If you would like to awaken to beautiful sunshine, the guest bedroom on the front of Bay Lake Escape will do just that. There are 3 windows and a glass door that leads out to the balcony. The queen bed is a shiplap farmhouse style with beautiful blue coral bedding. The balcony is a great place to take in views of Pretty Lake or just to sit and enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning. Between the bunk room and the guest room is a full bath. There is a single vanity with towels, washcloths, extra toilet paper, and hair dryer. The tub shower has lots of hot water, shampoo and body wash, and a deep tub for soaking. Upstairs in the hallway, there's a full wash machine and dryer. There's also a small iron and ironing board. The last bedroom is the master bedroom. It also has a queen-size bed, smart television, and walk-in closet. In the closet, you will find extra pillows and linens for the air mattress. The master bedroom also offers an ensuite master bath with double vanity. In the vanity, you will find towels, washcloths, toilet paper, and a hair dryer. I hope you've enjoyed your tour of Bay Lake Escape. Hope to see you soon.